Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. Diwali is right around the corner and I decided to create a beautiful festive look for this Diwali. ये बहुत ही easy सा look है और आप easily से create कर सकते हैं. So without further ado, let's get started. I am taking my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer and I'm just priming my entire face and neck. ये primer मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है and it just makes your makeup last all day long. It hydrates your skin and it just gives you that beautiful healthy glow. For my foundation, I am using a full coverage foundation. This is my Max Today Fix foundation in the shade NC35 and I am a little bit tanned right now, so it's looking a little bit lighter, but do not worry, I am going to fix it with some bronzer. And yeah, I'm just blending it out using my Real Techniques foundation blending brush. I love a good cream blush. For that, I'm using my Tarte Cosmetics cream blush and I'm just blending it out. All the shades and all the products will be mentioned in the description box down below, so make sure to check them out. I am using my e.l.f. Camo liquid concealer. I think the shade is medium sand and I'm applying it underneath my eyes, around my mouth, on my cupid bow, on the bridge of my nose, as well as on the center of my forehead, just to highlight my face a little bit more. और इसे मैं blend कर रही हूँ एक damp beauty blender की मदद से. I love this concealer, you guys. It's hydrating, it's full coverage, and it does not crease easily. और ये बहुत सस्ता भी है, so it's a good affordable concealer. And to set my entire makeup, I am using the good old Maybelline Fit Me loose setting powder, and I'm just first setting my concealer and then I'm setting my entire face and neck. To bring back that warmth and that sculpted look, I am using my favorite NYX Butter bronzer. Again, the shade will be mentioned in the description box down below, so make sure to check that out. And yeah, I'm using this brush from Zoeva. I'm also contouring my nose because I have a good fat nose and I want to make it look slimmer. And now I'm just doing my brows using my Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and I'm using this brush from Morphe. Brows हो जाने के बाद I am taking this lighter brown shade from my Makeup Revolution New Neutrals eyeshadow palette and I am applying it as my transition color. This brush that I'm using, it is from Morphe, but sadly it's not available anymore. Now I am taking this darker brown shade. It's like a pinkish brown shade and I'm applying it on the inner corner of my eye, on the outer corner of my eye, and also on the lash line. I am kind of making a L kind of a shape, and the star of the show is this Moira Cosmetics glitter. Oh my god, if you have not tried this yet, you need to. These are gorgeous. And I'm just applying an eyeliner, and I think it's my Maybelline gel eyeliner. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect because I'm going to smudge it anyway. And yeah, I'm just smudging it out to give it a smokier look. I think it looks very, very sexy and elegant. And I'm applying the same eyeshadow that I applied on my outer corner on my lower lash line as well. For my kajal, I'm using this Plum का kajal. बहुत ही पसंद है मुझे ये, बहुत black और ये बहुत long lasting होते हैं. So yeah, I'm just tight lining with it. And for my mascara, I'm using my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and you can leave the look here if you want to, but I love to wear lashes, so these are my Ardell lashes, I think, and here is the completed eye look. I think it's easy, it's festive. I absolutely loved it. Let me know what do you guys think. For my lipstick, I am using my MAC Lock-Kiss lipstick in the shade Koi. Such a beautiful, pinkish red lipstick. And for my highlighter, I'm using my Rodeo Drive highlighter from Ofra Cosmetics, and the brush that I'm using, it's from Real Techniques. So now, festive glow अब आया निखर के नहीं. So yeah, I am just setting my makeup using my LA Girl setting spray, and here is the completed look, you guys. Let me know what do you guys think. I absolutely loved the way how it turned out. I know it's a very practical and easy to create. So yeah, please do subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you guys soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye and take care. Bye bye.